I just wanted to bring this up because I'm not sure how many people actually know about the ALMAT program or how like absolutely amazing it can be. I mean, it really can be life-saving for some people. And so if you have not heard of this before, please check it out, especially if anything that I said sounds like it could apply to you. All right, so then let's see. Oops, it's asking me to share multiple screens, and I am not trying to do that. I'm trying to get out of my screen share. Please forgive me. All right, there we go. I'm back. All right, we're off the screen. Okay, I hope so anyway. Okay, so back to what I want to talk about. So let's say you don't qualify for the pro bono assistance. Obviously, our office would love to help you, but it doesn't have to just be our office. There are so many amazing immigration attorneys out there. I just think that nowadays, with the way things are going with PIP and my concern about if you don't have an ultra super clean case, you may end up in a situation where then they're going to not only deny, but try removal proceedings. That makes me nervous. And so I want people to have attorney representation. It should be like a financial priority for the family. And again, it wouldn't matter whether it was me or with another qualified attorney. We just want people to be very careful about how they're filing now. So I want to talk then about what happens if somebody has a deportation order. But while I'm going to talk about that, I would love it if anybody has any questions. Please feel free to put them in the comments. I would love to hear your questions. Also, please share this video. Please subscribe. I would like to continue to do these as many times as I can on Sundays. And then if you're on Facebook, please click like, or you can even send stars. So then now that I'm done talking with that, let's talk about deportation stuff. That is certainly more important. So let's say you have a deportation order and now your only other issue is that you had come into the United States without permission. So just the scenario might be you came across, maybe you came in from Honduras in 1999, walking across the border without permission. It was probably the Hurricane Mitch situation, walked across the border, ended up getting caught coming in and you were given like a permission to wait for your court date. And then things went sideways. And for whatever reason, you weren't able to go to court. And so now you've got this deportation order against you, like a super old one. Or it could be a recent one too, but I'll just use the example of an old one. Over time, you have a kid. More years go by, that kid joins the military in the National Guard. National Guard is the great PIP eligible program. So what would we do in a case like that? We would not just file for a green card. I'd want to get immigration files. I'd want to see if the notice to appear for removal proceedings was defective, like if the government made a mistake. I'd want to know if there was a lack of legal notice for the proper immigration hearing that was held. And I would want to prepare an immigrant visa petition and a motion to request that the judge reopen and terminate removal proceedings so that once that's done, then we can actually file for lawful permanent residency.